Hello, my name is Catherine Lowe and I'm a community occupational therapist. I have come today to this SPEX Academy training and it has been a wonderful day. I have got great insight into the back support cushions and also the seat base cushions. We talked through different client examples, which was really beneficial for clinical practice in terms of choosing the correct cushion between the high contour and the constructor cushion. And if you come to the training day, you will gain lots of experience using the cushions, and there's lots of practical sessions which have been beneficial just to get kind of hands-on experience of adapting and moulding the cushions based on the client profile. I would highly recommend that you would consider attending one of these training days. They're really well set up and the staff are all really helpful in terms of talking through any specific client cases that you might have and be struggling with the postural management. They've been really helpful and you will really benefit from attending one of these training days. Thank you.